This is why you need to know what happens when you crack your knuckles. Let's dive in. So, what actually happens when you crack your knuckles? No, you're not breaking your bones. Here's the scoop. There's fluid in your joints called synovial fluid. When you stretch or bend your fingers, you create gas bubbles in this fluid. The crack you hear, it's those bubbles popping. But wait, is it bad for you? Good news. Studies show it doesn't cause arthritis. Woo. But if you crack too much, you might get some swelling or reduced grip strength. So maybe don't overdo it. Next time someone gives you the stink eye for cracking your knuckles, just tell them, relax, it's just bubbles popping. Keep those joints happy and crack on, friends.